Good morning. So let's get started with the Apple Watch.
The screens are significantly larger. In fact, they're over 30% larger. You'll see more in maps and photo and calendar. And we've created new complications. And we've also designed a brand new watch face with up to 8 complications that really brings them to life. You can add loved ones to your watch face and simply tap to connect with them. Or if you're traveling, you can customize a watch face to track the different time zones. Or maybe you want to create the ultimate health and fitness watch. We also redesigned the Modular Face and even apps from our developers. So now your boarding information will appear right on your watch face with the Qantas app, or you can glance at nutritional intake with the LifeSum app. The Digital Crown's been completely re-engineered, and it now includes haptic feedback. Well, Series 4 has a next-generation accelerometer and gyroscope with twice the dynamic range, measuring up to 32 G-forces. The watch analyzes wrist trajectory and impact acceleration to determine when a fall occurs. And after detecting a fall, Series 4 delivers an alert. We've added electrodes into the back sapphire crystal and the digital crown, allowing you to take an electrocardiogram. The entire process takes just 30 seconds, and at the completion of the ECG recording, you will receive a heart rhythm classification. Apple Watch Series 4 with GPS starts at $399. Series 4 with cellular starts at $499. And we're keeping Series 3 in the line at more affordable prices, starting at just $279.
I am so excited to tell you all about iPhone XS. iPhone XS comes in 3 finishes: gold, silver, and space gray. And they're protected from dust and liquids to an even higher level now, IP68. Well, the screen on iPhone XS is a Super Retina display, the best we've made yet. It's an OLED display, 5.8 inches on the diagonal. Well, the iPhone XS is not just one, but 2 sizes of display, the 5.8-inch and a new 6.5-inch Super Retina display. It is an OLED display as well. 3.3 million pixels, 458 pixels per inch again. But we call it the iPhone XS Max. And the A12 Bionic is the industry's first 7-nanometer chip. Let's start with the CPU. It is an Apple-designed 6-core CPU. This is a fusion system. It has 2 high-performance cores, 4 high-efficiency cores. The A12 GPU is now up to 50% faster than the A11. The real advancement, the real blow-away thing, is this neural engine. This is an 8-core dedicated machine learning engine to power all that great machine learning software on our systems.
Our next generation neural engine unlocks the power of real-time machine learning. This is incredibly important for apps like camera.
The camera. It has a 12-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and bokeh. Professional bokeh. You can, after taking the picture, adjust the depth of field from f1.4 to f16. Bokeh, dual SIM, dual standby. This means that you have both phone numbers there in your phone, waiting to get the call. Whichever one gets it becomes the active line. And to enable that, we've added our eSIM technology. We are very excited to show you one more iPhone. This display is really what strikes you, though. It's an LCD display. It's called the Liquid Retina display. First, it's 1.4 million pixels, and it's 326 pixels per inch. And inside the iPhone XR is nothing but the best chip we make, our brand new 7-nanometer A12 Bionic chip. And it has a great new camera system as well. It's a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, the exact same wide-angle camera in the XS. It gets the same advanced bokeh technology we talked about, and it gets depth control dynamically after you've taken the picture. This is remarkable. What the team is able to do is combine hardware and software to create a depth segmentation map using the focus pixels and neural net software so that we can create portrait mode photos on the brand new iPhone XR. iPhone 7 starts now at just $449, and there are models of iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. iPhone 8 at $599, models of 8 and 8 Plus. The brand new iPhone XR starting at $749, 10s at $999, and 10s Max at $1099. They're all running iOS 12.
Thank you.